Today in the Bondtech shop, how I hung upper cabinets in my laundry room, or better yet, how not to hang upper cabinets. The first thing I did was draw a line level on my wall at 31 inches below the ceiling. Now I'm putting up a ledger board. That'll give me something to rest the cabinets on when I go to put them in. I just pre-drilled this and used finishing nails so that I could make sure that it matched with all the little marks I made on the wall so that it was level. Here I'm finding the center of the wall. I have 3 cabinets, and I'll mark center on the bottom of the middle cabinet, and that way I can get them centered. I just brought the cabinet up from my shop where it was 32 degrees, so I put my sweater on. And here I'm setting it on the ledger and then lining it up with the center line on the ledger board and the center line in the cabinet. Behind my drywall I have shiplap, so I'm screwing these cabinets straight into the wall. Yes, it's a little awkward not to step on the dryer as I'm putting this one up. Once I get it into place pretty close, I'm going to screw 1 screw into the wall to hold it in place. Here I am pre-drilling a hole with a countersink for a screw to connect the 2 cabinets up high. With gravity, I don't really need to do it down low, but this will keep the 2 cabinets aligned up top. Here I'm just adding the other 5 screws in the back panel straight into the wall. These cabinets aren't heavy, but when you're leaning over a washer or dryer, they are awfully awkward. You can see that I put my foot up on the dryer and my son got a little worried there for a moment. Again, I'm pre-drilling, countersinking, and adding a screw in the face frames to hold those cabinets together. As soon as my wife chooses color, I'll paint them. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.